Hey, what's up, everybody? Ryan Shelley from SMA Marketing. Today, I want to talk about the new updates from ChatGPT Search. These are incredible updates that could shake up how we approach search and local SEO. So, if you're a business owner or a marketer, you need to know about these changes and how to use them to your advantage. Well, these updates are a game changer for local search. We now have maps in voice search, and customers are asking more location based conversational type queries. So, businesses need to make sure that they are optimized for local search as well as ChatGPT search. So, think about it. If somebody goes to Chat Search and they say, "What is the best coffee shop near me?" and your location isn't being found, but your competitor is, they're going to be winning. But here's the kicker: a lot of small businesses, a lot of local businesses haven't really thought about chat search and the ways to optimize for that. So you could really win and take some really good new customers, or at least customer traffic to your site from your competition, if those consumers are starting to use these chat-based search bots. So what are some actionable tips for business owners? Well, believe it or not, you need to optimize your Google business profile. That is something that these chatbots are looking at. They're looking at citations, and it starts with Google Business, making sure that it's up to date, that it's accurate, that you have your hours, your locations, your services. These things are all critical for appearing in local search. But you also need to make sure that you're doing that across multiple citation sites. So Google Business, Bing, all the maps directories, all of those local sites like that. Those are really important to make sure that you also have all of that information up to date on. And this is an area that if you're not sure how to do it, an agency like ours could actually help you optimize that and monitor those citations so that they are up to date. You also need to create location specific content. This is creating content around keywords that are location based. So like best hair salon in, Orlando, Florida. ChatGPT Maps features will look at this type of content and use this as it's learning about the different business options within a localization. So this is really important if you want your data to surface in the results. You also need to make sure that you're focusing on voice search. And you can do this by focusing on those long-tailed conversational keywords and phrases like, where can I find a plumber nearby? This is the type of content you can create those FAQs around. Now, if you're not sure where you sit right now, you can test this. So test ChatGPT for both your niche as well as your business. See, are you showing up? What are the types of businesses and services that are showing up? And then pinpoint some areas that you can improve upon. If you're noticing that your competition is showing up there, what are they doing to show up in those places? This will really help you better understand what you may need to do and the ways you may need to augment your strategy to get more out of chat search. So as we wrap this up, we just need to understand that the signals that AI is using is shaping search, especially in local businesses. And the reality is we have to ask ourselves, have we begun to already adapt, or do we need to start making that change now? So what have you done? How have you gotten ready for this shift in the search behavior of individuals and how your site can be found online? Go ahead and leave a comment below. We'd love to see what you're up to. And if you found this helpful, make sure that you hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.